Welcome back, future medicos. Karnataka has released the round 2 seat matrix. In yesterday's video, we looked at the round 2 rules, the round 2 schedule, and the caution deposit for round 2. In today's video, we are going to look at the seat matrix or the number of seats available for round 2. And I'm going to focus only on 3 categories. That is the open category, NRI category, and others quota. So basically, I'm going to talk about the seats where other state students are more interested in Karnataka. So let's see how many seats are available and whether you should be interested in Karnataka, we will discuss. So in each private medical college, we will look at how many open seats are available. That is the private seats that are available for other state students. We will look at how many NRI seats are available. We will look at how many others, that is the management quota seats, are available in Karnataka private medical colleges as well as the private universities. So you can see that at the top we have Sabdagiri Institute of Medical Sciences, Bangalore, that has the maximum number of the seats in the 3 categories. That is open, NRI plus others included 3. They have about 87 seats. So under open they have 38 seats, NRI they have 38, others they have 11 seats. At the second place we have Adi Chunchunagiri, where there are 34 open seats, 38 NRI seats and 10 others. Kempagowda, surprisingly, one of the top colleges, also have a lot of seats vacant. 36 open seats, 32 NRI seats and 11 other seats. So total there are 79 vacancies. Nijalingappa, 33 open seats, 37 NRI and 9 others. So totally we have 79 seats. So I will quickly go through the open seats only because the open seats is where many candidates are interested. Of course, you can look at the table and see what are the seats available for NRI and others category. So Srinivasa Institute, which has converted to the private university status this year, has 37 open seats vacant. JJM Medical College has 30 open seats. Shaimanuru Shivashankarappa has 28 open seats. Vaidehi has 12 open seats. BGS Medical College has 26 open seats. The Oxford has 14 open seats. BR Ambedkar has 24. BGS Global Institute has 25. Kanchur Institute has 14. MVJ Medical College has 12. Navodaya has 12. Basaveshwara has 22. Sridevi has 22. Chandrama Dayananda Sagar has 20. Subbaya has 10. East Point 20 seats are vacant. SDM has 24 open seats. Siddhaganga has 21. AJ Institute has a lesser number of open seats. They have only 7. Akash Institute 11. Kaja Bande 11. Al Amin has 8 vacancies under open category. Mahadevappa has 9 open seats. Sri Chamundeshwari has 8 open seats. MS Ramaya has 24 open seats. PES University has 14 open seats. SR Patil 15. K. Venkatramana Gowda has 13. Father Muller has 8 open seats available. And probably Father Muller has very little seats in all the categories, right? 8 open, 6 NRI and 6 others, totally only 20 seats available. Sri Madhusudan Sai has 7 open seats. And finally, we have St. John's Medical College, Bangalore. Initially in the seat matrix, St. John's was not shown, but today KEA has released a separate seat matrix for St. John's. In that, we could find that there are 6 open seats available in St. John's. So overall, you look at the round 2 total number of vacancies. There are 655 open seats are available. A lot of seats are available. 655 open seats, 814 NRI seats and 222 others category. So totally under these 3 categories, we have close to 1,700 seats. Now let's compare it with round 1 total. Round 1, how many seats we had? Round 1, if you look at, we had open seats 819, NRI seats 876 and others category 293. We had about 2,000 seats. Now we have 1,700. So which means only around 300 seats had been taken up in round 1. So it's a huge set of vacancy. Round 1, very few candidates have taken seats. Now let us look at how many seats are filled up and what is the percentage. So you could see that in round 1, only 164 open seats had been filled up. That's only 20% of the available seats and 80% of the seats are vacant. 80% of the seats are vacant for round 2, which is a good information for candidates participating in round 2 because 80% of the seats are vacant. Under NRI, only 62 seats are filled. That's only 7%. 93% of the seats are vacant. When it comes to others category, 71 seats are taken up, 24%. That adds up to 24%, and nearly 76% of the seats are vacant. So if you look at overall, out of 1,988 seats, only 297 seats had been filled up in round 1. That is, let's say roughly, right, 300 out of 2,000 seats only had been filled up, which is like 15% of the seats are filled up in round 1 and 85% of the seats are vacant in round 2. Now, what will happen in case there are a lot of NRI vacancies in round 2? That will be converted to others category. Of course, it won't be converted to open category. It will be converted to others category, and then they will try to fill up through the others category. Now, this is the seat matrix. So the seat matrix gives you a very positive information. Of course, it looks bad that seats are not getting filled up in round 1, but at least, right, those who are still interested in Karnataka, this should be a good news for you, right? Approximately 85% of the seats are still vacant in open NRI and others category. Now let us look at what was the closing score in round 1, right? Let's review that back. Now this is the round 1 closing score. So first I have shown the open seats, the open category in private medical colleges, self-financing institutions. You could see that the All India rank closing was 73,213 and NEET marks 483. And the second category I have shown is the open seats again, but under private universities. In round 1, it closed at 1,53,800, which is NEET marks 431. Now, others category closed at 289 marks and NRI 120 marks. So let's not worry too much about others and NRI. Now, what about open? Will it still be closing at 483 marks or will it drop? I'm sure there will be a big drop in round 2. I don't think it will be closer to 483. It's going to be a significant drop in round 2 because considering almost 80% of the seats are vacant, so it's highly likely that the cutoff is going to significantly drop in round 2. So if you have a reasonable score, please participate in Karnataka round 2 by paying the 1 lakh and give it a try. Let's also look at 2024 round 1 versus round 2, how it went. Let's look at, so that will give you some picture so that you can be confident about how round 2 may go in KEA this year. So here I'm showing you the Karnataka cutoff in 2024. I have shown the All India rank. Say for example, Karnataka private medical colleges for the open category. Last year round 1 was 65,000 and then round 2 it almost doubled the rank, right? From 65,000 it went to 1,33,000. And Karnataka private universities open category, last year it was 1,72,000 and then you could see that it went to 4,70,000, nearly a drop of 3 lakhs. And the others category from 5,92,000 it dropped to 13,87,000. So there is going to be a significant drop. So the first round cutoff is more or less similar to last year. Like I think is 70,000 something, here 1,50,000 something, here is about 5 lakh something, right? So it's very, very close to last year. So how will be the trend? We can expect the trend could be very similar. Of course, I do not know exactly where it will end. That's not possible to predict, but you can expect a reasonable amount of drop in round 2. So my advice, if you have registered already in Karnataka in round 1, don't worry too much about the security deposit or caution deposit. If you want a seat, you must try. If you are worried about the caution deposit, you may lose an opportunity. But of course, if you have some other backup, if you don't want to pay that 1 lakh security deposit, that's up to you. But if you want to pay the 1 lakh and give it a try, yes, there could be a good possibility for you to get a seat, provided you are in the range closer to the rank shown for last year. Okay, it could be plus minus, it may not be exactly, but this could give you an idea. I hope this information is useful. Thank you. Bye bye.